Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I am showing to you how to create HTML button like this shine button. Let's start first. Created a two file button.html and button.css and HTML file. First create one div and class name container, and now create a par link and class name will be btn and text bar button hold to shine. Okay, now write start padding and margin for all content of HTML, and now select body style for body background linear gradient RGBA 000 and 0.8 for alpha. Comma after this again write RGBA 000 and again write comma, and after comma paste this link. I will give this link in the description of this video, and after this link just now write dot and container class name, and now select display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 VH, and now write style par A, font size 1.5 rem, padding 1 rem, 3 rem, and color F4 and F4. Text transform uppercase, and again write dot btn style for btn text decoration and border 1 pixel suited, and color 146, 148, 248, and position relative of row hidden. And now write dot btn colon hold. Box shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 25 pixel, 10 pixel, RGBA. Again write 146, 148, 248, and 0.4 for alpha. And now write dot btn colon b4 content 9, position absolute, top 0, left minus 100%, and width 100%, height 100%. After this just write background linear gradient when 20 degree transparent, comma RGBA 124, 121, 46, 148, 248, 0.4 transparent, and now select transition all, now write dot btn hold b4 left 100%. Okay, now this CSS file completed. Save this code and save HTML file and run. Okay, now just hold this button to shine. Thank you for watching.